Folks, this is Rick Knight, Highgarden Real Estate, and it is January the 2nd, 2025, and I wanted to just go over some real estate statistics for the greater Myrtle Beach area. So what we're looking at is we're looking at the median sales price of residential housing, single family, new construction, resales, condos, manufactured home, properties that people live in are their second home, not investment property and not land. So what we're looking at on this chart here, you can see back in 2021, the median sales price was about 230s, and then it climbed up into the springtime of 2022. And from that time, you can see here, June 2022, we're at 320. It's bounced up and down into the 320s, back and forth. And even today, we're at 334. So really, from the standpoint of the way I look at it, for the last couple of years, it's just been flat. So let's look at closed sales. So closed sales for the last 3 years, you can see how it goes up and down seasonally, because there's a drop every holiday season. 1,400 sales in 22, 1,100 in December 22, 1,100 December 23, and we're at 1,100 December 24. So that's about the same. But what's interesting to me is the homes for sale. If we look at this chart, when it's low, prices are going up, and you see the inventory keeps climbing. And then over the last year, you can see that we bumped up here to over 6,000 properties. But what's interesting is December sales were only about 1,100, which is normal. And then there's new listings that hit the market. But from November to December, I see about a 10% drop in inventory, which is kind of odd, which is kind of scary, because if inventory drops, that means prices are going to go up. So, but I do think there's a lot of pent-up demand with sellers, and I think we're going to see a lot of new listings, and I think this statistic is going to change to the upside. So let me know what you think the real estate market's going to do in 2025. I think it's going to be a wild ride.